Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin until 9:15 p.m. At 8:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Elkhorn, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Miles an hour wind gusts and quarters.
Shoot, did it just cut out?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Richmond, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Como, Hell Lake, Powers Lake, Springfield, Gables Corners, Tibbetts, Millard, and Delavan Lake. People attending the Elkhorn Truck and Shop should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.